Layover in Dubai? You're in luck. DXB is 25 minutes from the world's tallest building, and the airport itself has a rooftop pool. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for DXB. Getting around from DXB is easy. The Dubai Metro takes you to the city in 25 minutes. Check the RTA website for current fares, or grab a rideshare for about the same time. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours for your Dubai airport layover, you're staying inside DXB. But trust me, that's not a bad thing. Start by clearing customs and grabbing your bags. Then head to the Orchard in Terminal 3 for a peaceful 45-minute break in an actual indoor garden. Next, grab a quick bite at one of the airport restaurants. Budget about 55 AED for a meal. After that, make your way to the iconic lamp bear sculpture for a quick selfie. It only takes 15 minutes. Finally, head to your gate with plenty of buffer time. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore. And yes, you can leave Dubai Airport during layover with this much time. Start by clearing customs, then hop on the Dubai Metro Red Line heading to the city. Get off at Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall Station and spend 30 minutes taking photos of the world's tallest building from outside. From there, walk to Dubai Fountain for the free water and light show. It runs every 30 minutes. Next, head into Dubai Mall and grab lunch at Din Tai Fung. Their soup dumplings are worth the 60-minute stop. After that, take the metro back to DXB and clear security with time to spare. 16 hours, that's a full day in Dubai. Perfect for a layover at Dubai Airport with serious exploration time. Clear customs, then metro into the city for your Dubai layover adventure. Start with Burj Khalifa photos and the fountain show, then explore the Dubai Mall Aquarium from the free viewing area for 20 minutes. Next, have lunch at Time Out Market in Souk Al Bahar, a food hall with tons of options. After that, if you're feeling energized, spend 90 minutes at a DXB airport lounge when you return. Maybe the Vitality Spa with the rooftop pool. Grab dinner at Soprafino in the airport, then relax before your flight. Budget breakdown. The 4-hour Airport Explorer costs about $15 for one meal. The 8-hour City Explorer runs about $20 with metro fare and lunch. And the full-day adventure costs around $65, including transport, 2 meals, and the spa. A few tips. First, use ATMs instead of currency exchange counters for better rates on dirhams. Second, the metro connects to Terminal 1 and 3 only. Terminal 2 needs a shuttle. And third, store your bags at luggage storage if exploring the city hands-free. Planning a Dubai layover? Full guide with visa requirements, lounge details, and timing breakdowns at yopki.com, link below.